If you have clicked in this video, you already know what to expect. I'll be telling you how to prepare for PGDBA entrance test, the ISI IIM and IIT degree in business analytics, or you can say data science. So, how to prepare for this exam? If I have to sum it up in very less words, CAT plus JEE Maths. Yes, if you have prepared well for CAT and JEE Maths, your preparation is done. That's all you need. So people who have not prepared for JEE Maths or who have not prepared CAT, so let me just give you a brief idea why I have come to this conclusion. If you look at the syllabus of the PGDBA entrance test, or rather the subjects, you can find that it has 50 questions, 3 hours, plus 3 minus 1 0, which means it gives you 3 for a right answer, minus 1 for a wrong answer, 0 for no response, and 15 questions are for your verbal ability, 5 questions for logical reasoning, and 5 questions for data interpretation and data visualization. And most importantly, 25 questions for quantitative aptitude. Now, this 25 questions, roughly 50%, rather exactly 50%, is your JEE Maths syllabus. So the rest is your CAT syllabus, and this is your JEE Maths syllabus. Now, in this quantitative aptitude, there are a lot of questions which are also CAT kind of questions. So you can say that it is more towards CAT and less towards JEE Maths. But the punchline is you have to prepare a lot of CAT specific topics and a lot of JEE Maths specific topics. So if you have a good CAT book and a good JEE Maths book, and you have the previous year question papers of CAT and JEE Maths, then you are good to go. So this is a very brief preparation plan. Now obviously I will attach few links in the description box of this video so that you can go ahead and download or rather buy a few books on JEE Maths and CAT. So this is the idea. Now how you should plan your preparation. One way which I suggest you to prepare for this exam is start like a CAT aspirant. By that I mean think of yourself like you are going to appear for CAT exam and get into an IIM. So your preparation for the first 3 topics, the verbal ability, the logical reasoning, the data interpretation and data visualization part is very thorough and rock solid. And the last part, the quantitative aptitude, is something which you can cover along the while you're preparing for your CAT syllabus, because the quantitative aptitude part has a segment of it which is similar to your CAT, and a lot of it is very similar to JEE Maths. So think of it like you will be giving 80% of your time for CAT preparation and 20% of your time for JEE Maths preparation for around, say, the entire duration of your preparation. Now, I would ask you to also give a lot of weightage on your exam taking approach. So take a lot of CAT mock tests, and if you have access to PGDBA mock tests, good enough. Take a lot of mock tests and try to dissect your weaknesses on a, let's say, weekly basis and eradicate them then and there, so that you know where you stand. And obviously in a future video I might make a 15-day plan, a 30-day plan, but if I have to give you a general framework, this should be your plan. That think of yourself as a CAT aspirant and take your 80% of your time for preparation of CAT exam and 20% of time for practicing JEE Maths questions, and take a lot of mock tests. Dissect your mock test completely. I mean, try to understand how you have solved each and every question. Was there a faster way to solve it? Where did you get stuck? Did you commit silly mistakes? And which areas you have to focus on? Because if you, let's say you realize that verbal ability is something which you need to focus on, so we can focus on that specific subject by reading various books, by reading various blogs, or devoting a lot of time in taking a lot of mock tests on verbal ability. So you need to give a lot of time for mock tests, and you need to give a lot of time in preparation for CAT. Now this is a very good way, and this probably is kind of a way which is suitable to almost all of the people. But let's say you are someone who thinks yourself as very smart enough in verbal ability and JE maths, so for you, you don't need this kind of a preparation plan. You just need 30-40 days. In 30-40 days you can have a quick revision for your verbal ability, data interpretation, and JE maths, and then appear for your PGDBA entrance test. So this was my take on PGDBA entrance test preparation. So obviously I will make more detailed videos on it. So if you are interested in such PGDBA entrance videos, then you should fill the form in the description box of this video. And I remember that in the year 2018, my PGDBA entrance test went really well. And I feel that I know one or two things about the exam. And yes, I did not qualify the interview, but I can at least give you a bit of knowledge about how to qualify the PGDBA's entrance test, if not the interview. And yes, I would like to bring someone in this channel who has successfully qualified the interview stage as well. So yes, it's prudent that you fill the form in the description box of this video. And with that, bye bye.